Smart Wiring Devices Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global smart wiring devices market size will be $8,345.5 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 12.4% from 2024 to 2031. North America's smart wiring devices market size of $3,338.2 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 10.6% from 2024 to 2031. Europe's smart wiring devices market size of $2,503.6 million. Asia-Pacific smart wiring devices market size of $1,919.4 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 14.4% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America's smart wiring devices market size of $417.2 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 11.8% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa smart wiring devices market size of $166.9 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 12.1% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.